Hi guys, so today I have this cool product that I want to show you. It's a power bank actually. It's an Energizer Ultimate Power Bank. Wireless charge for iPhone and Android. So this is how it look like. Basically this side of it show you a simple description of what to do. Like the inputs and the outputs on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you guys how it works. So in the box, is a Type-C charger and the product itself, the power bank itself, and this is a manual. So looking at it, this part is the wireless charging, that is the Type-C, and this is a regular USB charge. So it comes with 3 ports. This one will do the wireless work for you. If you're charging your phone wireless, that will charge it, through the USB, and this should be the Type-C. Anyway, the Type-C, that's it right here, is an input and output, meaning that you can use it to charge the power bank itself, and you can use it to charge a phone too. And this is how the Type-C look like. So one end goes here and the other Type-C end go into your phone, and this one goes here and the other end go into your phone too. And to charge it wirelessly, all you do is to hit the power button. This is the power button. You press it once, and then you just put your phone on top of it, and as you can see, it's charging. And then when you lift your phone up and take it off, it stops charging. And there is this light over here. This is basically like a signal light that show you what is going on. So 4 lights mean fully charged. The power bank is fully charged. When you're charging wirelessly, you see a green light, and then when you lift your phone from it, it will stay for some seconds and then it shut off, meaning that the power bank is not in use or is not engaged. Also, this is a 20,000. This is, as you can see, is a 20,000 mAh, which is the milliampere hour. Okay, and then also it's designed in a way where it will charge it really fast. So from my experience, I realized that when I'm charging this wirelessly, it charges very fast. Also, when I'm charging one phone at a time, it charges very fast too, especially the Type-C and the wireless charge. It charges really fast. The USB, from my experience, not too fast, but the two, which is a wireless charge, this part, and the Type-C charge, it really got the work done. So I forgot to mention, I actually got 2 of the power banks, and the only difference is this one is not a wireless charge, and the milliampere hour is higher than that one. So this is actually a 30,000. The one that I showed you previously is 20,000. And this is how the box look. It basically have the same function. You have the inputs, 3 inputs, and the power button. So let me show you how it looks actually. So taking it out of the box, this is a little bit bulky. It's a little bit bigger than the one I showed you previously. And this is an LED display of the battery, the power of the battery, like what percentage it is. And these are the input and outputs. So as you can see, these have the Type-C output, the regular USB, and another regular USB. And these 2 over here is inputs to charge it. So you can charge it through the Type-C, and you can charge it through the Type-B, I think. And basically that's the difference. So this one have the 30,000, and the other one that I showed you previously is 20,000. That's the difference. And also the 20,000 have the wireless charge and the 30,000 don't. So the 30,000 is called Energizer Max Power Bank with LCD screen, and then the wireless one is Energizer Ultimate Power Bank. That's basically the difference between it. So if you guys are looking to purchase, any power bank for power supply for phones or laptops, you can look into this. I like Energizer because it's been in the market for a long time. So you guys want to try that.